Green Roof and Vertical Garden. I, Alisha Mirza, Tushar Thaman and Aditya Chauhan from Lovely School of Architecture and Design. What are we here for? Today, we'll be speaking about green roofs and vertical gardens and how they play an important role in sustainable architecture. As architects, we are not just designing buildings, we are shaping environments. With rapid urbanization, cities are facing problems like lack of green spaces, rising temperatures, and poor air quality. Green roofs and vertical gardens are architectural solutions that help reconnect nature with the built environment while improving building performance. What is a green roof? A green roof is a roof surface that is partially or completely covered with vegetation, planted over a layered system that includes waterproofing, drainage, and soil. There are two main types of green roofs. The first is an extensive green roof, which has a shallow soil layer, lightweight plants, and requires low maintenance. These are commonly used in residential and commercial buildings. The second is an intensive green roof, which has deeper soil, supports shrubs and even trees, and can be used as a garden or recreational space. These roofs require higher structural strength and maintenance. What is a vertical garden? A vertical garden, also known as a green wall, is a system where plants grow on vertical surfaces such as building facades or interior walls. Vertical gardens can be designed using climbing plants, modular panels, or hydroponic systems. In architecture, they help transform blank walls into living surfaces, improving aesthetics, insulation, and environmental quality. They are especially useful in dense urban areas where horizontal green space is limited. Purpose in architecture. The main purpose of green roofs and vertical gardens is to integrate nature into architectural design. From an architectural point of view, they help improve thermal comfort, enhance passive cooling, reduce energy consumption, improve the building envelope, promote biophilic design. They also help create visually appealing and sustainable structures that respond to climate and environmental needs. Advantages. Green roofs and vertical gardens offer many advantages. Environmentally, they reduce the urban heat island effect, improve air quality, and manage rainwater runoff. Architecturally, they act as thermal insulation, reduce noise pollution, and protect the roof membrane, increasing its lifespan. For users, green spaces improve mental well-being, provide recreational areas, and create healthier living and working environments. These systems also enhance the overall visual identity of buildings and cities. Disadvantages. Despite their benefits, there are some challenges. They involve higher initial costs, require structural load considerations, and need proper waterproofing. Regular maintenance is also necessary, especially for irrigation and plant health. However, with proper architectural planning and detailing, these disadvantages can be minimized. Setup and planning. Planning is crucial for successful green systems. For green roofs, architects must consider structural capacity, waterproofing layers, drainage systems, root barriers, and suitable plant selection based on climate. For vertical gardens, orientation, sunlight exposure, wind conditions, irrigation systems, and maintenance access must be carefully designed. Using native plants is always preferred for sustainability. Extra architectural insights. From an architectural perspective, green roofs and vertical gardens act as climate-responsive design elements. They support sustainable rating systems, improve energy efficiency, and contribute to net zero building goals. In the future, these systems can be integrated with smart irrigation, urban farming, and adaptive reuse of rooftops. Conclusion. To conclude, green roofs and vertical gardens are not just landscape features, they are essential architectural tools for sustainable urban development. ROF. As future architects, it is our responsibility to integrate green systems into our designs to create healthier, more resilient, and environmentally responsive cities. Thank you for listening.